Close your eyes. The roar of an engine fills your ears. Tires screech on asphalt. Your heart races. Now open your eyes. That rush of adrenaline, that's the power of sound design. It doesn't just enhance what you see. It creates a whole new dimension of experience. Welcome to the world where every sound tells a story. Hey there. Let's talk about sound design basics. It's all about creating and tweaking audio to make your stories pop and hit you right in the feels. First up, we've got foley. It's basically recreating everyday sounds in the studio. Footsteps, clothes rustling, or doors creaking. Foley artists use all sorts of props to make these sounds, and they're super important for making everything feel real.
It could be a bird. Turns into a skateboard.
Now, let's explore ambient sound and sound design. Ambient sounds are the subtle background noises that set the scene in a film. They quietly tell the viewer where they are without a single word of dialogue. Let's discuss sound effects, also known as SFX. These are the cool, artificial sounds that make things exciting. Explosions, laser blasts, car crashes, all that fun stuff. They're usually made by mixing different sounds or playing with existing recordings. Don't forget about music. It sets the mood and guides how you feel throughout the story. Whether it's a big orchestra or just a simple tune, music is key to the emotional journey. In this scene, Quentin Tarantino selects the perfect music for the moment. The chosen track makes the character appear strong and poised for attack. Let's talk about using loud and soft sounds. This is how you build excitement or create suspense. Slowly turning up the volume can make things tense, while sudden silence can make you hold your breath. Sound effects like risers, whooshes, and impacts are your secret weapons. Use them to build suspense, show movement, or emphasize big moments. In this scene from The Matrix, notice the distinct sound of bullets flying past. This technique helps immerse the audience in the action, making them feel as if they're right in the middle of the scene. For extra realism, try moving sounds from left to right. Let's explore how to pan sound from left to right in Davinci Resolve. Using a whoosh sound as an example, first click on the sound clip and open the inspector tool. Start at the beginning of the whoosh sound and adjust the pan all the way to the left. Set a keyframe so Davinci knows where to start. Then, move to the end of the whoosh and adjust the pan all the way to the right. Let's listen to the result. Next, we'll look at adjusting the speed and pitch of a sound. To make the sound higher, increase the semitones. To lower the sound, decrease the semitones. Davinci Resolve offers many effects to modify your sound. For instance, to add an echo effect, go to your toolbox, select Fairlight FX, find the echo tool, and apply it to your sound clip. Choose a setting you like and experiment with it. Remember, sound design is like a muscle. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Using just one riser or whoosh often isn't enough. The skill lies in layering multiple sounds to create a compelling audio experience. Now, let's move on to our next topic: layering your sound. Let's break down this video and explore the concept of the sound sandwich. We'll start with the foundation, choosing a strong undertone or ambient sound. This element sets the mood for your entire video, so select it carefully. Next, layer your music beneath this ambient track. As you begin to edit, synchronize your video clips with the rhythm of the music. This technique creates a natural flow and enhances the viewing experience. Now it's time to add your Foley sounds. In this example, we've sourced high-quality car drifting sound effects. Place these beneath your clips, ensuring that each sound aligns perfectly with the on-screen action. Remember, the key is to match the audio with the visual movement. Finally, We'll top off our sound sandwich with whooshes, risers, and impact hits. These elements add excitement and emphasize key moments in your edit. Use them wisely to create dynamic transitions and highlight important beats in your story. Just make sure no one sound drowns out the others. For high-quality sound effects such as whooshes, hits, risers, and many others, consider checking out Audiio.com. They offer a variety of professional-grade sound effects to enhance your projects. Thank you for watching. Remember, the more you practice and listen, the better you'll become at sound design. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.